everyone, my name is Hiro Shoto and welcome to Super Cat Bros. This is part 2, leading off from part 1, blah blah blah. Don't even know if I'm saying the words correctly or what the definitions of words are meaning in word things. So anyways, yeah, we left off at World 2, we completed World 1. Again with the TikTok ad. No, frick, I don't want to do this level. As you can see, this game does not listen to me. Anyways, let's start off to the video, right? And we're starting off with World 2, Level 1, Sandy Beach. Bloop, bloop, blop, skitty pop. Panda. Give cat a fish and that feeds them for a day. Teach a cat to fish and you'll feed them for life. Belle Delfini. What? Oh, these little dudes. Oh, that timing though. Oh, I thought cats hate water. Are they swimming in milk then? Is that a thing? Can cats swim in milk? Google that, kids. No, don't. You're probably gonna get some weird things in this. Oh, a new friend. Oh yeah, this is the level where we meet the tough dude, tough bro. He can slam the walls and he doesn't give a frick. Oh, frick you. At least when you hit the enemy, they die. It sucks for them as much as it sucks for you. Why? That's not what I did! Flip-flop, flippity-flop. Scratta. Did you scratta? Like PewDiePie? Why do I keep on doing that? That's not what I want to do. Do you understand how game works, game? Hello there, friend. Are you my friend? Some monkey stole all of my treats. Let's go. Whoa. I forgot what his name was. Oh, frick. Scratta. Make me scratta. You didn't make me scratta, game. Let's go. I don't know where the other bell was, but I really don't care. Yeah. Brutus, Brose, Britney Spears. There's a monkey on the sand, not sea monkeys. There's a monkey on the sand though too. Okay, they're trying to trick us. Click! I click you. Okay. You can do that. Just run. Oh, they can't climb up walls. That was his one downfall in life. That's why his parents didn't love him. What? That's what I thought, Senior Monkey. So the monkeys are scared of cats, but they have the balls that knock them down from their plane. Don't land on him. That's right, monkey bro. I have the high ground, Anakin. Except you don't. Well, too. Episode level 4, Squids on the Rocks. Do they want me to change my character? Frick you, game. Oh, that was a waste. Correct. If somehow if this channel gets memed, I blame myself. I mean, then I'll actually have people that want to watch me. That would be cool. Imagine actually having people that want to watch your videos. From Boss Cat. I mean, the bros coming. I didn't do that for your information. No, I lose heart bubble. That's not cool. No, do that to me. Again. No, why? This is why I can't play games, because I suck at them. Oh, don't do that, don't do that! Ah, fricker. Can't wait for him to strategize. I'm the boss. I'm a big boss man. I'm gonna guess these ones just fall. I don't care. Hit me all you want, I don't care. Frickers. No, frick. I'm inside the wall. Did I break the game? No, I didn't. I just minorly fractured it. I didn't break the game. I just broke its spine in half. Oh, okay then. This is a long loading screen. Windy Harbor. I love my harbors that are windy. Look at, they have more little dudes. Oh my god, no! I swear to God. I think, no, I actually want to go back to my other dude. I didn't even get to finish his sentence. That's how cool I am. Well, that's how much I hate people. And that. Don't do YouTube, kids. It makes you unsocial. But Shoto, what are you doing? I'm making history, kid. Get on my level. I'm not making videos. I'm making history. Go to the shop. There's another key here. Where is it? Is it down here? This island place. No. That's totally uncool, man. Will this work? Of course that will work. Ah, see, me big brain and me know how to travel. Okay, that's my spot. I'm sorry, gamer. I know what to do. See, I'm a pro gamer. This is what I call switching your character because he's fat and being a complete jerk about it. Frick, I can't. Never mind. I guess I'm only sticking with my one key. Never mind, I want to be back. That didn't do me anything. Well, I guess fat people you can't rely on them. Famous quotes by children? Yes. It's been 8 minutes of me just non-stop talking some random crap. I only have 5 viewers and they're all me. That's cool. That's so fun. I love myself. I hate myself so much. If I have to get that key, I'm gonna get so mad. Wait. I have a key, thank God. Yeah, but these... What? How? Oh my God, Big Fish Boy. Big Fish Boy. I gotta go slow because I don't want to take damage from something stupid. So yeah, 8 hours of swimming cat tutorial. How not to be a piece of crap on your channel. What is that red coin even for? Does it give you some mega power, dude? I saw Big Fish Boy. That's gonna be the title of this video. Confirmed? Probably not. You're probably just looking at the title. You're like, wait, this isn't what he's putteth. Click. Oh yeah, then we have the water cat, where she's a great swimmer. Did you know? Because he's a water cat. No, freaking! And then you're my friend. This is strong with the girls. Not to be a problem for me. I'm gonna tell you information about myself and then I'm completely leave the conversation, which becomes irrelevant at the time. So really, you're gonna have to go back to that other level so you can get that one key. But the thing is, I actually have to do that now, so that's cool. That's cool, you play the level. So I got a 12-minute video. Oh, we're not even done yet. Bruce, my bra. So you can climb that high. You can't. Can break through rocks, except cannot break through through squids. Good thing to know. Go put that on your resume. I'm gonna call you Water Cat. You like that name? Like Water Sheep and PewDiePie? I've had like 8 PewDiePie references. How much you want to bet me you're gonna need this key? Because the new Water Cat the boy. Look at this. It's only good for water levels. Okay, now I just gotta go all the way to the end of the level now to exit out. Okay, let's run, gamers. Run like the wind. Run away from all your fears. Run away from your ex-girlfriend. Your ex-Minecraft girlfriend. Shop guy, you're getting in my way from running from my hopes and dreams. Thanks, come again. 13-minute video about me playing a game about cats. Where's this channel fallen to? No, to be honest, I think I might just end off the video here. Because I have nothing else to do right now except record another one of this. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. You guys like that? You probably didn't. Sorry, I was just swinging around my headphones. Sorry if the mic sounded bad. I really have nothing else to do right now. So I might as well end this video right here. See you guys later, my white saltine crackers, and have a good day. Go play some games. This was part 2 of Super Cat Bros, and see you next time. Goodbye. Stop recording.